Hi, beautiful people. So I wanted to share with you my P Louise, and you can see it came damaged. This is not the first time, but this is actually the best out of all the boxes. All of my packages have been coming damaged, and they're coming from the same carrier. So I did contact them and let them know that I don't understand why my packages come damaged. So since this is already, and I'm going to show you the box, because the box inside the bag looks even worse. So you can see right here how, look at that. And then this is crushed. This is the better looking of the boxes so far. But yeah, it should not be that way. And I love P Louise boxes. It says, all of us are a little fragile babes. Let's spread your wings and fly. I would have loved to have kept this box. I'm gonna have to contact them and be like, my box is always damaged. So inside of it, it came very well wrapped, and so you can see like that. I am not gonna lie, I did get a peek and I'm excited. So this, I don't know if I'm gonna use, but it is their Blend Away 2022 eyeshadow palette. It's a big boy. I don't know if I'm gonna keep it or not. And I can't get it out of the box. So this is what it looks like out of the box. I mean, it's covering my entire face, so that's how big it is. It has shades that I love, so I don't know, y'all. Oh, look at that. I mean, oh, they are so gorgeous, and you can go from, they're very neutral base, neutral and pink base. So, and it has the gold. I'm willing to bet you this probably has a gold that's comparable to the one that I have on, and I could definitely probably use it. I won't swatch it because I haven't decided whether I'm going to give it away or not, but I do. I mean, that's a big one. I love it. I love it. I love it. So I'm going to put you right here. So this month only came with 3 things. And let me move my box out of the way. So the next 2 things are very well packaged. Hint, hint, Epsy. This is a blush. Oh, I'm so curious to see if this blush will actually show up better on me than the one I'm wearing now. Oh, this is cute. Look at that. It's pink. I like it. No, it wasn't damaged. Okay, and it has different sayings. Try not to blind you guys. And first one is, they love me. They definitely love me. Everything is better with you. The key to my heart, dear diary, forever yours, and you give me butterflies. So they don't have a golden one, but let me get a clean makeup brush. I'm going to try this one right here and see if, I'll tell you the cream ones that I got last month, which the packaging was destroyed, so I couldn't do a video on it. Oh, see, look at the payoff. Look at the color payoff. That's what I'm talking about. Okay, here. Okay, I see it more, but I can see on the camera it may not be as intense. So let me go with, let me do the other cheek first so I blend. I'm just saying, you see that? I can see that. And then I'm gonna swatch this. Look at that. That is, look at that. That I know these are gonna be coming off on my skin because they just, that. Okay, I'm gonna have to fix that because I put way too much, and I'll definitely have to blend that out. But I'm just simply saying, you saw the color payoff. And I'm definitely gonna, I went way too deep for this. But I love the fact that I have to go grab my foundation brush to fix it, because that just tells me it has color payoff. tone it down just a little. But I would rather have to tone something down than have to constantly build it up. To me, this says a lot. Oh, yes, and the packaging is super cute. And then the last thing is this. This one I did see the hints about. Look at that. I love that. CEO, that's how much I want to make. It's, if your dreams don't scare you, they are too small. And that is so, so true. And, oh, this is gorgeous. Look at all those highlighters. And it says, bad energy only. Bank account looking like a phone number. CEO, she-o. This chapter is called My Turn. I love that one. BRB, be right back. I'm building my empire. Make an income while making an impact. If your dreams don't scare you, they're too small and ambitious as F. So I feel like I definitely got my money's worth in this month's P Louise. Not only is it pink, which is gorgeous, but you get 8 blushes in this one palette. You get 8 highlighters, and you can see the different highlighters there. So then you get this with 50 eyeshadows. I just feel like you definitely got your money's worth for this month. That was my P Louise unboxing. I am highly impressed. Look at that. That is just amazing. Did you get P Louise this month? Do you agree with me? Do you think that this was an amazing unboxing? Especially if you're part of the pink crew and you're like, oh, the pink packaging is to die for. That is it. I am going to finish getting ready and hang out with my mom, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.